Bristol Britannia, the whispering giant, one of Britain's great hopes in the struggle for the airline markets of the world. Like that of the Comet, its history has been a mixture of achievement which came within an ace of beating the world and setbacks which our aircraft industry could not afford. And now, the worst blow of all, tragedy. This wreckage, scattered over a housing estate near Bristol, is all that remains of a prototype long-range Britannia 300. All 15 men aboard, a crew of 8 and 7 technicians, died when she crashed on a test flight. Eyewitnesses say the pilot made a plucky attempt to avoid the houses. No one knows yet what happened in those last terrible seconds. To balance the picture, a